Welcome back to Product Zone. Today we got this amazing water bottle, foldable water bottle. It's 100% BPA free. It's 610 milliliter. I mean, it could hold hot or cold supplement. It could hold hot or cold liquid. And I'm gonna unscrew this to show you guys something. Wide mouth for drinking, right? Listen, this bottle is next level. And then you could screw here too. Now this is great for adventure, hiking, riding your bike, going to school, going to outdoor activity, camping, or anything like that. It's rubber. You drop it, nothing's wrong with it. And then you need your water. It drinks right here. I'm gonna pour some, show you guys. See that? Holds a lot of water or juice or whatever you want. It was made really well, as you could see up close. It's a great idea what this company did. For more price and details on this amazing hiking, traveling water bottle, check in the description box below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos on Product Zone. They have a lot of different colors, and it comes in a 2-pack. It could comes in a single pack, and the price is not that bad. But I love this. I love how it folded like this. My kids and I, we were excited about this. Right now we're gonna give this a thumbs up on Product Zone, because so far no leak, nothing, and easy to travel. After you finish, you fold your water bottle up. How can you go wrong?